Hi, this is 4Youelectrical. Now we'll write the Power System 2 quiz. Okay, so test already started. The time having 15 minutes. Now, here the question. First question. An ACSR conductor is made up of 30 aluminum strands and 19 steel strands. The conductor is denoted by. Okay, here is the question again. An ACSR conductor is made up of 30 aluminum strands and 90 steel strands. So we'll get that one is called 13 by 19. Okay, I'm putting the answer 13 by 19. Okay, next question. If C1 is annual interest and depreciation capital cost of conductor and C2 is annual cost of energy loss, and then account Kelvin's law relation C1 and C2 is, I am putting the answer C1 less than or equal to C2. Next question. An insulator, okay, and 3 set of insulator string as shown in the below figure. In this m equal to 5, then voltage across the insulator away from the conductor 10 kilovolts. The string efficiency is the 68.50, 70.60, 78.05 or 81.0. So I'm putting the 78.60. Now another question. The three-phase cable is supplying 800 kilowatts, 600 kVA and inductive load. It is interested to supply an additional resistive load of 100 kilowatts through the same cable without increasing heat dissipation cable by providing the three-phase bank capacitor connected in a connect star across the load. Give the line voltage 3.3 kilovolts, 50 Hz. The capacitor per phase of the bank expressed in microfarad is, putting it randomly. Next question. The insulation resistance of single core cable is 495 mega ohms per kilometer. If the core diameter is 2.5 centimeter and resist of the insulation 4.5 into 10 to the 14 ohm centimeter, the insulation is thickness is so. Next question. The surge of 15 kV magnitude travels along the cable towards its junction with an overhead line. The insulator and capacitance of the cable and overhead line are respectively 0.3 megahertz millihenries and 0.4 microfarads and 1.5, okay, 1.5 millihenries, 0.012 microfarads per kilometer. The voltage rise at the junction due to the surge is, so I don't know the answers. I'm putting it randomly here. So we'll go for the quiz. Get the answers. Here the question. Okay, an ACSR conductor is made of 30 aluminum strands and 19 steel strands. Okay, the conductor is denoted by 30 by 19 ACSR. So this one is a solution. Here, an ACSR is a steel reinforced conductor. It's made up of aluminum strands and constantly surrounding the steel strands. The ACSR conductor is denoted by X by Y, whereas X is the number of aluminum strands, Y is the number of steel strands. Hence, 30 aluminum strands and 19 steel connected by 30 by 19 ACSR. Next question. Okay, if C1 is annual interest, depreciation capital cost of the conductor, C2 and annual cost of the energy loss according to the Kelvin's law relation between C1 and C2. So answer is C1 equal to C2. Okay, the answer. Okay, Kelvin's law states that the most economical side of the conductor is for 30, which annual interest and depreciation and capital cost of conductor is equal to the annual cost of the energy loss, that is equal to the C1 and C2. Okay, next we'll go for the next question. Okay, and a 3 set insulator string as shown in the below figure. Okay, in this way we have 3 set of insulators and m equal to 5. If it is m equal to 5, then voltage of the across insulator, okay, voltage across this insulator, okay, insulator is away from the conductor is 10 kilo. Okay, the string efficiency, okay, here we have to calculate the string efficiency is 78.05. Okay, here the string efficiency formula for the different capacitor layers and insulators. Here having the formula, I'm applying that and finding the here string efficiency. Okay, and next give for the next fourth question. A third, a three-phase cable is supplied by 800 kilowatts, 600 kVA, and at load it is to supply an additional resistor load 100 kilowatts through the same cable without increasing the heat dissipation in the cable. The providing the three-phase capacitor is connected across the load. The given voltage is 3.3 50 Hz. The capacitance per phase bank is expressed in microfarad is. Answer is 48 microfarad. So here how to calculate that one? The initial load 800 and after modifications, it goes to the same cable. So after modifications, load modification 900 to J6000. Then maintain the same heat dissipation factor should be same. Here is the solution. To find out the capacitor per phase. Now the fifth question: insulation resistance single core cable is 495 megohms for the core diameter 2.5 centimeter. Resistor to insulation 4.5 into 10 to the 14 ohm centimeter. The thickness is 1.25 centimeter. So here is the formula. Length of the cable 1 kilometer, or is a 495 megohms, and that is megohm 10 to the power of 6 for conductor radius. So what is the diameter is given, and we have to change that one into radius. Here is the insulation. Mho is equal to rho L by A. So alright, so we're getting now that answer. So straight line. So this is all. So by applying that one, we are getting the answer. So this is the insulation thickness will be done. Next we'll go for the sixth question. A surge of the 15 kV magnitude travels along the cable towards the junction with an overhead line. The inductance of the capacitance cable overhead line is respectively 0.3 millihenries and 0.4 microfarads and 1.5 millihenries and 0.02 microfarads per kilometer. The voltage riser junction is due to surge, that is 27.8 kilowatts. So here they go for the in this question, the surge travels from cable toward the overhead line will be the positive charge voltage reflect junction. Natural impedance will be calculated from this formula. So here 0.3 is a millihenries and 0.4 is also capacitance. So here we're getting the answer, natural impedance. So this is the practice test. Get 2000 power system practice test. So the questions may be varied, but the difficulty does not change in the gate. So I am giving the review for practice test, so to know the how to answer the questions. So first I am putting the randomly questions with answers. What are the questions I am putting the wrong answers, then we are going to know the which question is that for the how to do the problem. This will help you to how to do the problems. So this is 4Youelectrical signing off.